Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my September Boxycharm makeup tutorial. I can't even say that this is going to be a full face makeup tutorial because I only got 5 makeup products in my September 2020 Boxycharm boxes. And I am so surprised by that because I got Boxycharm Luxe and Boxycharm Premium. The boxes that I received last month were just very skincare heavy, which I'm a little bit bummed about. However, the makeup products that I got are pretty awesome. So I already have my base makeup on because pretty much I just got eyes, lips, and I got the Fenty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo in the shades Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. And this also is a great eyeshadow product, but today I'm going to be using this as my blush bronzer highlighter effect. So also in my Boxycharm boxes in September, I got the Pur Brush Set. So these brushes are fine. They are kind of hard to wash. I wash them and they still have some marks on them. And usually my brushes get completely cleaned. I also feel like I don't have the brushes that I need when I go to look for the brushes in this set. Like, there's a larger face brush, but then there's these small ones. I feel like there's not the right size blush brush, but I guess I'm gonna use the larger brush. And when I apply the Fenty highlighter to my cheeks, I like to just take both shades, just like this, and then it turns into a really pretty blush shade. So it's like the perfect mix of an orangey blush and a purpley blush, and it gives a beautiful glow to the skin. So when you first look at this, it's like, wow, that is a bold, colorful highlighter, but it's actually super easy to wear. So I love using this as a glowy blush. Isn't that so pretty on the face? And if you wanted it to be a little bit more orangey that day, just pick up more of the orange or layer more orange on top. If you want it to be more purpley, just layer more of the purple on top. But it creates this gorgeous rosy flush when you mix the two together. So love this. And then the eyeshadow palettes that I got are so beautiful. So I got my Eloise the Queen eyeshadow palette here. Look at these colors. And I will, of course, have my full dedicated review videos on these products linked in the description down below because I did full videos on all of these makeup products. And then my other newest eyeshadow obsession is the Hip Dot Zion palette. Oh, it's so beautiful. It applies so nicely. So look at all the fun colors I have to work with today. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what direction to go in. When I did my video on the Queen palette, the look that I did was purpley and blue. And then when I did my Zion palette, it was very hot pink and orange. I kind of want to do something that has this golden yellow in it from the Queen palette because I think that would go really good with some of the shades in this Zion palette. So to start out, I am going to take this pretty golden brown shade from the Zion palette as my transition. I'm going to blend this shade from crease to brow bone. This is so pretty, so easy to blend. Great transition tone. And now I'm picking up my Queen palette, and with a smaller crease brush, I'm going to pick up this pretty salmon shade. Wow, no kickback in that shade. And that's going to go right into the crease. This one isn't quite as pigmented and easy to blend as that Zion palette shade, but if you work at it, it ends up looking really good. Yeah, so now after a little while, I like how that's looking. Can't believe how great these shades look together. Kind of like fall leaf colors. I think I'm gonna stick with the idea of fall leaves and pick up this shimmering maroon shade from my Zion palette and press that into the outer third of the eyelid. Oh my gosh, I love this color with the other two shades on the eye already. I'm so tempted to just put this shade all over the lid. That would look so pretty for a beautiful fall eyeshadow look. But I'm gonna resist so that I can use more shades. But oh my gosh, each color just keeps looking better and better with the shades already on my eyes. And then going into the Queen palette, I'm gonna pick up this pretty shimmery, oh my gosh, I thought this was like a shimmery red, but this is like a duochrome, so it's like pink and gold. What a perfect transition from the red to the gold that I'm doing. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Pink with gold duochrome reflection. That's just like my dream eyeshadow shade right there. And this applies so nicely. Oh, I love that. I would love that all over the lid as well. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That's like my favorite eyeshadow out of this palette. And there's a lot of great shades in here. And then to finish off the eyelid, I have to use this gold that I have just been eyeing. Oh yeah, that adds such a fun pop and interest to this eyeshadow look. Oh my gosh. I love this. It's so colorful and fall vibes and shimmery and pink, and I love it. My eyeshadow look looks like the packaging from the Zion palette, but the Zion palette doesn't have that yellow, which you see on the packaging here, and I used in my eyes. So using the Queen palette with it was a perfect combination. So now I'm just blending everything together. And then I want to put a fun shimmery shade on the lower lash line. So I'm going to pick up this red shimmer right here and just blend that along the lower lash line. Okay, I love this eyeshadow look. I can't get over the colors. This eyeshadow look makes me so happy. The sparkle and the color. And then I did not get a mascara this month, so I'm just using my Lily Lashes Triple X mascara that I love, that I got a couple months ago. And this will just finish off the eye look. I love how this eye look goes with my shimmering blush from the Fenty highlighter too. This mascara is so good, so volumizing. Gives that false lash effect. Okay, and lastly, I just have two lip glosses. I love both of these lip glosses so much, and they're gonna be a little bit weird to wear together, but I'm just gonna go for it. So the Marc Jacobs Raspberry Beret Enamored High Shine Gloss surprised me so much in how wearable this purple shade is. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna apply this to the outer portion of my lips so that I can do an ombre lip with my other lip gloss. My other lip gloss would go better with this eyeshadow look, but that's okay. This lip gloss is so shiny, so pigmented and beautiful, and it has this amazing mint scent to it. I'm so excited that I got a Marc Jacobs beauty product in Boxycharm, so I really hope that I'll get more. And then the other lip gloss that I got is from the brand Persona, which was a new brand to me, but I love it. It's the Honey Gloss. It's a gorgeous nude lip gloss. Oh my gosh, what a fun ombre. I feel like that really gives the illusion of more plump lips. Also, since these glosses are such high shine, it's so enhancing to the lips. Oh my gosh, look at how fun this ombre lip is. I love it. Ooh. And I probably never would have done this ombre lip if it wasn't for this tutorial of using all the products. And I love this. I would definitely do this again. I would do this whole makeup look again. I love how this all came out. So here is the finished makeup look using all of my Boxycharm products. And I had so much fun with this. So much fun color to play around with, but then such beautiful formulas. So not only is it playing around with color, but it's also using easy to blend, easy to apply, gorgeous products. So I am so happy with the makeup products that I got this month. I love them so much that I just wish I got more makeup products, but we'll have to see what October has in store for me because I'm gonna be getting my Boxycharm box, my Boxycharm premium box, and then reviewing all of the makeup products I get. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on those unboxing videos and those review videos and the tutorial video that I'll be doing. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.